The Supreme Court today heard arguments in a landmark case that will shape the future of women's sports and transgender rights.
Fox News' Rebekah Castor is outside the court tonight with the latest.
Save women's sports! Save women's sports!
To every single trans youth out there who is sitting somewhere where they feel alone and isolated, we're here to tell you that you are not alone and we are fighting for you.
We're demanding here today that the Supreme Court rules in favor of reality, of common sense, and of truth.
A hot-button issue landing at the U.S. Supreme Court Tuesday as the justices consider whether states can prevent biological males from competing on girls' sports teams in public schools and colleges.
We know that biological men have physical characteristics that give them an extreme advantage on the athletic playing field.
The High Court is hearing two cases out of West Virginia and Idaho, where transgender athletes say the state laws keeping them out of school sports violate Title IX, the high-profile federal law forbidding sex discrimination in education. And the court's ruling will impact similar laws in more than 24 states.
A sport is something that everybody should have the opportunity to do if they want, and we should all be able to have that chance.
The U.S. Olympic Committee and the NCAA say athletes must compete on the team consistent with their biological sex. But lower courts in these cases have sided with the transgender athletes, agreeing the state laws violate their civil rights. Now, the plaintiff from Idaho wants this case dismissed after facing harassment at school. But this issue is already before the justices, and we expect their ruling this summer. At the Supreme Court, Rebekah Castor, Fox News.
At the Arizona Capitol, Republican lawmakers today saying the Supreme Court's rulings could directly impact Arizona's Save Women's Sports Act. That's a 2022 law passed by elected officials that limits participation in girls' sports to biological females. The law is currently blocked by a federal court order. Republican leaders argue the legislation protects competitive balance and student safety.
Women's sports exists for a reason. For decades, women fought for equal opportunity and fair competition. Title IX opened the doors for millions of girls to compete, for them to earn scholarships, and for them to succeed. That progress should not be undone. Biological differences matter in athletics. Ignoring them does not create fairness.
Opponents of a sports ban say the issue should center on inclusion and the rights of transgender students. A Tempe representative releasing this statement saying in part, quote, "This has never been about sports. Setting fair standards for participation is different than intentionally singling out one group. That is discrimination," end quote.